couple of days ago, I saw one girl. I saw her post that she said that she has a fear of asking for a 100% hike, and I had that fear because I did not have the confidence.
So today I have a very special person for all of you, which is Abhijit Roy, and he'll be sharing his story, his hurdles, his journey, how he has been able to move from like 5 lakhs of package to crossing 10, 11 lakhs of package, and what are the points, what are the checkpoints, and what are his actual story behind the scenes. He'll be exactly like going and revealing each and everything with all of the people out there. Okay. So welcome Abhijit in this Hall of Fame interview, and it is really amazing to have people like you inside the community who are power pack and who are ready for the action at the same time.
Thank you, Saurav. Thank you for inviting me in this interview, and it's a great pleasure to finally talk to you and share my experience with all our fellow members. And I
Mhm.
would wish all and everybody a very good luck so that they can achieve what they are actually trying to do.
First of all, you just let us know that what is your domain, on which are the primary skills on which you are working, and what are the results you have been able to achieve within few weeks or within few months. So just tell us the results, and then we'll go deep into your process and case scenario and each and everything.
Sure, definitely. So I'm currently working in HCL as a specialist. My primary skill is Microsoft Azure, Office 365, SharePoint, and ITSM as in incident management. So I got an offer from Accenture, and it's almost a 121% hike. And
Wow.
it was great to get an offer. And I followed all the, I regularly attended classes and followed all the sessions that I have that are there on the portal. And the mastermind sessions are really helpful. I would personally say that because at times there are a lot of other community members who share their own experience, their own skills and
Correct.
small tips which are actually helpful when
Hmm.
so I would say that is very great. There are a lot of things that I improved in myself and my profile, in my the way I go ahead and attend an interview. Everything we have, I have actually changed, and
Hmm.
all the community members have an, I would say that they have an contribution as well in grooming, so that I was able to actually groom myself, and I was finally able to get an offer on this.
Okay, so Abhijit, when was the month or when was the date you actually enrolled inside the Massive Hike community?
I joined in the first week of September. It was September 10th, I believe.
Okay.
And the offer that I got, that was on just within 1.5 month, I got an offer.
Wow.
And I was very happy about it because I was not getting an interview in the first place, and getting an offer just after joining the community was an, very good experience for me.
Okay. So that is
Yes, please,
phenomenal.
Saurabh.
That is really amazing to get actually getting work on those things and absolutely getting some outcome with your actions. Okay. So you have been able to get the results within 45 days or max to max 50 days. That is phenomenal. So what I would like to know, what other people I want to know them is that what is the actual backstory? What was your biggest pain point before joining in this community, and what was your belief system before coming into the community?
So to begin with, I am working in HCL for more than 5 years now.
Mhm.
So I did not appear for any interview in meanwhile. So the first thing that I would say, was confidence. So I
Okay.
did not have that confidence that I'll be able to crack an interview. And even if I do it, even if I attend an interview and able to crack it and get an offer, hike for more than 100%, I never thought of it. It was never, I never thought that anyone could, at least I could get an offer for more than 100% hike, because the usual market trends are, everybody we know, I mean, we all know that it's 40, 50, 60. That is what we had an impression in our mind.
True.
But after joining, and I remember the first day when you asked me that what exactly is the percentage of hike that you are looking for, I said 150%. And
Mm.
I remember you saying that, of course, Abhijit, you can do it. And So I was really, pumped up that yes, we can do it. Yes. And when it actually happened, I was not able to understand. I could not, figure out that, wow, it happened finally. Uh,
Okay.
so it was a very good experience, and it was a very eye-opening experience, I would say,
Correct. Fantabulous.
because
So,
we are always getting insights from.
okay. So, Abhijit, for me, the main point is that whenever there are a lot of things in the market, okay, a lot of people would be thinking that there are a lot of programs, there are a lot of communities, there are a lot of like paid services. Okay, what is your take on it, and how your decision, that decision when you enroll inside the community, how it actually turned your game, and like what was your thought process before enrolling for the particular program?
So I never thought that I would enroll into a program which will actually guide me to get a job, because I never thought that something like this could even exist. But when I thought, because usually what happens is कि ज़्यादातर जगहों पे ऐसे होता है and then give you some pre-defined all those steps and procedures कि आप ऐसा करो वैसा करो. We
Correct.
all know it. So मेरा भी थोड़ा मैं थोड़ा skeptical था. Even I remember I joined in the last 1 minute of that countdown that was going on. Yes, I remember it. So मैं भी थोड़ा सा skeptical था कि पता नहीं कैसे होगा. But then I thought, okay, let's do it. हर कोई हर कुछ करता है. It will be a new experience. And
Correct.
आपका demo class मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, because
Mhm.
that was an eye opener in the first place कि आप ऐसा करो and all those ATS thing and everything. That was like, I was not aware of it. So when I came to know from you, I was already boosted कि ठीक है, इतना अगर एक session में है तो definitely अगर मैं throughout sessions continue करता हूँ, I'll get some results. इतना तो हर कोई कर लेगा. So consistency is very important, I believe. कि आप regularly चीजों को आप कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक दिन किया एंड देन आप छोड़ दे रहे हो. नहीं होता ऐसा. मुझे तो ऐसा फील हुआ कि क्योंकि मैं पहले नहीं कर रहा था, मुझे रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिले. When I was consistent and I was following everything, I got the results. So I understood that it is very important.
Yes, great. So after joining inside the community, after coming into this, what was a real game changer for you? What is that one thing, or what are those two things which actually transformed your position?
Mm, profile optimization, मैं बोलूंगा that is actually an important point, because if our profile is not optimized, and we won't get a call itself. So अगर
Hmm.
call ही नहीं आएगा, we won't get an interview call, we won't be able to attend an interview. So it is very important कि we have a good profile which is attractive, eye-catching, and have all the basic information which are the recruiters are looking for,
Correct.
so that at least they
Hmm.
call me and we can schedule an interview. And
True.
one personal thing that I would say, that was my morning schedule. I never had a morning schedule as
Hmm.
such, but after joining your session,
Hmm.
one thing, that thing, that morning schedule is very important. कि आप जब उठते हो, what is your mindset actually?
Correct. Hmm.
The moment I woke up, I smile. I smiled out of no reason. I just smiled, thinking and thanking God and everybody that yes, I am alive and I'm doing whatever I'm doing currently. So
Correct.
I am blessed with. There
Hmm.
are blessings, right? That's why I'm here. So
Absolutely.
that smile thing is very important. That was a personal thing, I would say. Not maybe सबके लिए ऐसा नहीं होगा, but then मेरे लिए ऐसा था.
Hmm.
So small changes
Hmm.
करके
Correct.
मुझे धीरे धीरे रिजल्ट्स मिले. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मुझे लगता था कि यहाँ ठीक है, बट देन ठीक है, थोड़ा चेंजेस वहां हुआ, रेज्यूमे में थोड़े
Correct.
चेंजेस करे,
Hmm.
Naukri profile and made some changes in it.
Hmm.
One major point that I would say was the 90 days notice period.
Correct.
Because what happens when the recruiter calls and they ask for the notice period,
Hmm.
they usually do not prefer somebody who is having a 90 days notice period.
Yes.
So, but that was my luck, I would say, that they were not bothered about it. They asked me, they said if it is negotiable or not. I said yes, I can try and do it, and they agreed. And yeah, I mean, later I did not have any problems with the 90 days notice period. So that was probably my luck, I would
Yes.
say. But yes, if you are going in the right direction, maybe 5% of luck will actually help you.
Absolutely. It is only going to help when we are actually taking actions, we are actually taking steps, and things starts coming into our tribe. So, Abhijit, you
Exactly,
mentioned
exactly.
that profile optimization was your biggest key learnings or your biggest takeaways. So my question to you, like what other people feel or what other people think, or they might be having that question on top of your mind, that how many days did it actually take to optimize your profile? Like you have been able to do it practically. Okay. So they would like to know from you that how many days it actually like took and your profile started ranking and you started getting multiple calls.
To be very honest, I saw changes on my that search numbers. There are some search numbers, how many times my profile has been
Mm.
appeared on the recruiter search.
Correct.
That got drastically, that went very high once I started updating my profile thrice a day. I did not do it 3 times. I did it twice, one in the
Mhm.
morning before 10 o'clock and one in the evening after 7:30,
Correct.
and that really made some difference, because my that I can see the progress in Naukri.com. It was like this, and I was so happy to see it, because even if I'm not getting any interview, at least my profile is coming in front of those recruiters. So that was a very good thing. So that was a very confident confidence boost. And making slight changes in the profile, like including some keywords which
Absolutely.
actually are there. So I checked few JDs. I took an example of 5 JDs. Five
Mhm.
were for more or less the same profile. Okay.
Okay.
And I found out some keywords which are actually quite common in all those, I mean,
Yes.
similar keywords. So I
Mhm.
tried to incorporate them in my resume, so that when they look for it, at least my profile would come in front of.
Yes.
So that was very helpful. And updating a profile regularly is also very helpful.
Correct. Great. So that shows that you have been committedly taking action on every single video. So that was like updating multiple times and different timings. It was mentioned in one of the videos. So it means that you are taking proper notes
Yeah,
and you
exactly.
are like documenting each and everything, and you are going across and you are going ahead with it. How did you actually was able to complete that transition? Like when someone enroll into the course, okay, a lot of people get inside, there are multiple things into the market and all those things. What is your biggest message to everyone, that how you can actually uh, take yourself till the finish line?
I would say it is consistency, because
Okay.
if I do a good thing 1 day, 2 day, and 3 day and 4 day, let's say I did it for the 10th day and then I left,
Mm-hmm.
probably I won't get the result. But if
Correct.
you continue doing it, thinking that yes, you will get a result, maybe on the 10th or the 15th or the 30th day, you
Mm-hmm.
might get it, and you will definitely get a result. So it is very important that we regularly keep on doing the same thing. Same
Mm-hmm.
thing as in whatever the process you have actually asked us to do. So small things, I would say. And yes, consistency is very much required. We have to do it daily on a regular basis. And
Correct.
and just like that, one day it will click, and you will get an offer. I mean, I
Correct.
really felt that yes, you don't need all those fancy things to go ahead and get a job. You just
Mhm.
need a consistency, a regular set of a process that you need to follow. And yes, like, definitely it will happen. So have to keep on doing whatever we are asked to do.
Correct. I can completely resonate with your things when I was in that process and I was like making that switch and I was doing all these things. So all these minute things used to give me hell number of results. And I had no idea that 3 years down the line or 4 years down the line or 5 years down the line, I'll be actually creating a whole community and thousands of people will be enrolling into it and they will be helped by those things. But I was completely documenting each and everything, what was giving me results, what was helping me down the line. I was actually writing it down, I was keeping it on my Google Drives and all those things. And now I'm really glad to see multiple thousands of people are getting actually results with those notes which I made maybe 3 years back, 4 years back, and I'm continuously upgrading myself so that I can actually provide you more valuable stuff. Great. So, Abhijit, my last question to you is that what do you think about the referral opportunities and how people are being helped on multiple referrals and multiple openings within the community and how they can actually take advantage of those particular things?
So I believe that the referral opportunity in this group and community is a very good opportunity for everybody who is looking for an job change, basically,
Mm-hmm.
because that's the only reason that we are here. So apart from looking for yourself, if we are getting an opportunity where our only members are helping us to get a new good job, then it's very good actually. And as you always say that, see, I cannot go ahead and ask anybody for a referral, but
Correct.
it's very important that we create a repo in it. And how do we create a repo in our community? By just giving our own feedbacks, or own sharing our own experiences, helping each other. As you say, sharing is caring. So I really believe that yes, it is important since we are in this group together. So we need to help each other
Correct.
so that we can achieve our dreams. And this referral opportunity is, I believe, is a very good thing because we get a lot of insights from different organizations. People here, they're genuinely sharing the opportunities which are coming in their company. So I think it is a very good thing, and it will really help a lot of people. We are right now in 1200, 1300 plus members,
Correct.
and I believe we'll grow to a huge extent. And if just I just imagine at times that if everybody starts sharing their referrals from their own organization, I just imagine how many opportunities and openings will be coming just in our group. So no,
Yes.
we won't be even needing those Naukri profiles and everything else. We can just simply go ahead and apply from here itself.
I really like your one idea or your one thing or your last statement completely blowed away my mind. Yesterday, I was just checking our group, okay, and I was seeing that there were 247 posts in last 30 days, okay. And like if everyone starts coming in, everyone starts sharing and all those things, that count can actually go more than 500 or more than 1,000. And like people would be getting multiple things, and like it will be a healthy environment. Right now we have a healthy environment, and it will be like every
Exactly.
other person is like a helping hand to the adjacent person. That's what is the whole idea,
Exactly.
and that was the whole purpose with which like I started with this family and this community. And I'm really glad to have people like you. I really want to openly mention in front of everyone that I see you as a giver. There are a lot of people inside the community who are actually operating like a giver in the society. Like you are giving feedbacks to people when someone is sharing their resumes, when they are sharing your CVs. You are actually going through it. You are taking time from your schedule, and you are actually helping them on their part, on their journey. And a lot of people are there who are actually contributing in one or the other way, and this shows that what is the actual tempo of the entire family and the community. So I'm really glad to have people like you. Keep
Exactly.
going ahead, keep rising, keep your results coming in like anything, as well as like we have to help multiple thousand people in this journey as well. So Abhijit, what is your biggest message and what's
Uh,
your last message to everyone?
So my biggest message would be please attend the live sessions. They are
Hmm.
really helpful because you get a lot of queries from different people coming up, and they will,
Correct.
make you understand what exactly people are going through. So
Hmm.
that will help me in getting myself in a better situation.
Yes.
And yes, definitely consistency is very much required. Please do follow
Hmm.
everything and try to help everybody, because once you help, definitely, and someday you will also get a help from somebody,
True.
and that will altogether be very great thing for an individual. So I really wish all the best for everybody so that they can achieve, and they can also get what they are actually dreamt of. And we are all here, and probably we'll be always giving our feedbacks and share our feedbacks with everybody and try to improve ourselves and others as well.
True, absolutely. It's a great message to end this particular session, to end this particular interview. And on a note that, yes, in this particular year, we'll be rising in, we'll be contributing, as well as we'll be getting more results for the entire family.